Okay, so I just got back in the apartment. After work, I went straight to Atlantic Superstore to do my grocery. And yeah, here I am. I cannot think of any video to make today. So I'm just going to show you what I do here alone because people already went back to the Philippines. I'm sorry if I having some problem pronouncing the words correctly. I have a sore in my tongue again. I'm going to show you what I do, and hopefully you would enjoy. And I'm just going to take a bath, freshen up from the tiring day of work, and let's see what contents can I make today. See you in a few seconds. Oh, by the way, I forgot. Today is Monday. And I'm pretty sure there's an NBA game today. I think the Lakers, or rather the Raptors, would play. So I'm gonna watch that after everything else. Okay guys, so I'm done taking a bath, and I feel so relaxed now. And I'm going to show you what I bought for my grocery. So I got here a sausage, I also have a chicken, pork, beef. Honestly, I don't know what I'm going to, how am I going to cook those meat. Eggplant, onions, and I didn't realize there's still a lot of onions out there, so let's put it here in the bottom. Also have garlic, set of Coke, half dozen orange. This should be orange in the Philippines, but here they call it Fanta. You can see that. Yeah. Still have Coke here, but that's expired, I think. Also have ginger and another garlic. I didn't realize I bought two. I thought I just bought one. I also have corned beef. Two corned beef as well. Just put it here. No. Put it here in my storage. See, I still have one sardines in there. And I have a lot of canned goods because I usually cook. Another, I like these sardines. So tinapa. Also have sausages. I spent around, with all those things that I showed you, I spent around $90 for it, for the grocery. It's gonna last me probably 2 weeks. I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to update you with that. Yeah, so I already cooked rice. I'm just waiting for it to be cooked. Oh wait, I know. I'm gonna call Mipo because it's already 5:30 p.m. here, so that's 5:30 a.m. in the Philippines, and I'm sure Mipo's already awake. Okay guys, so I'm done eating and I don't know what to do now. By the way, I got something from the mail today. I got it from Amazon, and I actually ordered a blue filter glasses because my eyes is stressed, like watching in front or staring in front of the computer for the whole day, and even after I get home, I'm still looking at the computer. So my eyes is strained, and I really need a blue filter glass to at least reduces the harmless blue lights that's causing pain, headache, or causing your eyes to be really stressed. So I already cut the box and I mean the package, and here it is. Let's take a quick review on this one. Let's look for a better spot. I'm not gonna be reviewing glasses in the kitchen, so here probably is good. Okay, so this is what I got from Amazon. It's a blue light filter. I don't know if you can see that. Computer glasses, and let's open what's inside. I haven't opened this one yet, so let's see what's inside. Wow. Oh, I dropped the manual. Here's a Anrri blue light testing card. I don't know what this is. It's a testing card, it says. And here is, wow, the packaging is really good. It's really solid. Yeah, it's made durable. First impression, I'm pretty much impressed already with just the casing. So let's see what's inside. So you can see that, and this is what's inside. Okay, so this is the glass. Let me just put it here, and of course there's a cotton to wipe the glass, and there's, what is this, a laser? Blue light laser. Okay, yeah, this is a nice freebie. So packaging is already fine for me. Freebies, wow, it's cute, it's blue. Yeah, it's a good freebie. Here's the glass itself. Wow, I'm pretty impressed with how durable, how sturdy it is made. Like, I'm just holding the frame and the parts of it, and I can really feel, like you feel that it is sturdy and built with good quality. Okay, finally got it out. Oh man, this is really nice. This is a whole lot better than what I got previously that I lost. Anrri, that's the brand, Anrri. Yeah, it's really nice, and the build quality is really good. I'm not biased or anything because I paid for this. I paid around $28 for this, so I definitely paid for it. So here it is, and I have my blue light filter. Hopefully this would help me or help with the eye strain, and that causes headache. So this is a good glass to have, especially if you're working in front of the computer for more than 8 hours like I do. Like, I work for 8 hours literally sitting in front of the computer, and then when I got home I'm still looking in the computer watching videos and stuff. So yeah, this is a good one. Let's see how it fits. Yeah, it fits perfectly fine, but I can see some glares on it on the side. I don't know where that glare is coming from. Oh, it's coming from the back. Where is that glare? You can see it's in my eye portion. I don't know, maybe I need to wipe this one first. Oh, that's a thing. Maybe it just needs to be wiped out. So yeah, let's try it, because it's really glary outside. Overall, the quality, the build quality itself was already good for me. But let me just see. Maybe I just need to wipe it because I'm not comfortable with the glare. That's so annoying. The good thing with Amazon is that if you don't like the product, then you just put it back in the box, send it back to them, and they will refund you. So you can look for a different glass. So hopefully that is just dirt that needs to be wiped on the glass. So it just needs to be wiped out. Well, this one fits perfectly, so I think I'm gonna keep this. Let's see what else I can show you guys. Usually around this time I am with Maple, but since she's no longer here, I think I'm just gonna check out my YouTube videos, my YouTube channel. Also try to play around with this stuff in my computer. Yeah, there is a Raptors game today. It's gonna start at 20, so that's at 8 p.m. So that's something to look forward to. Okay, so hope you enjoy watching this video, guys. Wala talaga akong ginagawa ngayon. So I just decided, it just runs through my mind that I will show you as well what I do here. Especially Mipo, she's always watching all my vlogs, and of course my mom, pinakagwapa nga mama sa tanang kalibutan. And to everyone who already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much, I appreciate it. So basically, this is it. I'm just going to stay on the computer, do whatever I can do. After this, sleep, and tomorrow is another day. Thank you again for watching, guys. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Bye.